Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I can't believe I'm saying this because I'm saying this after 3 years. It's wild. But this is a comeback, and in this new chapter, I am more determined, more inspired, a lot more happier. And I want to start this by reintroducing myself. My name is Shivani. I am from Kathmandu, Nepal, but Mumbai is home. I've been living here for more than 12 years now. I went to Delhi to study. That's how I came to India. I did my graduation in filmmaking. I specialized in acting and direction. And then I came to Bombay to become an actor, like a lot of people do from all over the world. When I was in film school, I used to be a very good student. I used to participate a lot in my seniors productions. I was one of those students who got an opportunity to act a lot. So when I came to Bombay, I came with a lot of pride and with a lot of confidence that kill it. I'm going to kill it. I've arrived. This is my place. I'm going to nail this. But little did I know that it's not as easy as it looks from the outside. It's very difficult. Again, I don't mean to discourage anybody. I'm just sharing my journey as it is. While growing up, I always wanted to become an actor, but I didn't really have it in me to say that, I want to become an actor because I grew up with very different notion of how actors are, how they looked, what was their, conduct, whole lot of thing that we make in our own heads. So I could never say to anybody that I want to become an actor. But I went to film school, then I came to Bombay, and I always had this in me that I'm special, I'm smart, I'm intelligent, I'm going to kill it, I'm this, I'm that. But when you come to Bombay, you realize that there are many intelligent, smart, wise, special people. You are not alone. I realized that it's not going to be as easy as I thought in my head it would be. So if you don't really come from a very financially strong background, Bombay is a very expensive city. Things are very expensive and difficult. So I very early on realized that कुछ और करना पड़ेगा, सिर्फ ये करने से नहीं होगा. Along with auditioning, I used to do ads. I did some ad films, and I till date I still audition. I haven't stopped that. Every week I audition till now. So I realized that because I'm trained in films, I can do so much more. I started working as an AD. I worked in production design department. I did casting. I did production, and I realized production is something that I'm very good at. So I started, producing a lot more. For many, many years, I think I did that. That is one department that I excelled in. Cut to 2019 end, 2020 beginning, after pandemic happened. घर पे बैठी थी, कुछ करने को था नहीं. आई वॉज लाइक क्या करूँ, ऑडिशन भी हो नहीं रहे. आई नीड टू डू समथिंग, आई नीड एन आउटलेट एंड दैट्स हाउ आई स्टार्टेड creating. I uploaded my first YouTube video on 9th July 2020, I think. Before that, I really used to look down upon YouTubers and TikTokers. I used to think I'm trained in films. Life teaches you a lot of things. But, before pandemic, I was in another level of rat race, very stressed, anxious all the time, full of fear, doubt, very bad life state. I don't know how was I functioning. So, and also a lot of resentment because why I am so special? Why am I not getting the opportunity to act? All of this would really mess with my head. So when pandemic happened, I realized सब तो घर पे बैठे हैं, कहाँ है rat race? दीपिका पादुकोण घर पे बैठी है, तो it's fine. I think pandemic taught me, it may sound silly, but it just made me think that everything is the same for everyone. The world is at a halt, so you don't really need to stress. Maybe this is the time to reinvent, and that is how I started creating on YouTube. Then I started doing Instagram also in 2021, and that took off. I did really well. I started making a lot of money. I was very happy. And all this while, I was also auditioning. I still did some ads during that time also. Last year, when I got married, is when I realized, I think when you get married, nobody tells you that, but something changes in your head. I think you start taking life, I mean, I did. You start taking life more seriously. You want it to be more meaningful, more of value. You don't want to just pass by life anymore. At least I thought. And very subconsciously, I was also, I think I did Instagram beauty skincare for 3 full-fledged years. And I was like, कितना moisturizer लगाऊं, कितना sunscreen लगाऊं, कितना, how much can I talk about products, and all the USPs are the same of the products. And in India, the market really boomed in the past 2-3 years. 4 years, market really boomed, and there are so many brands and such kick-ass products. You don't need to look beyond, But how much can you apply? How much can you talk about? I was very tired, and I think dheere dheere I was like, I want to expand my canvas. I want to do something more, And all this while, I had not left my dream of acting. As I said, I still audition. I was still auditioning, but I came to terms with the fact that you don't have to become an actor now. You can become an actor all your life. Puri life padi hai. I will become an actor sometime, for sure. Right now, because this is something that I need to do with my life, this is something that sounds more practical, more viable, more... this has some ROI. If I'm giving my time to this has some ROI. So I started focusing on that more. But again, like I said, I was done with the same thing. I wanted to reinvent even then. And when I shifted to this new house, I think in the last 2-3 months, it really gave me an opportunity to do that. It opened a very new and a huge canvas for me to create. I started creating content on food, lifestyle. I started making silly videos, and I think I'm a lot more happier now. I just thought that if I really have to make a brand out of something, I'd rather make a brand out of myself than making a brand out of an Instagram page which only talks about beauty and skincare. So that's how my thought process changed, and that's how we landed here. This is a much better space, much happier, feels more safe, feels more stable, feels more calm. So this is where we are at. But I do want to my YouTube, because I was also posting all the Instagram reels on YouTube shorts. My YouTube reached from 1,000 subscribers to 15,000 subscribers in 2 months. So I was like, something is there. I need to do more here also. So that's how I'm planning to get back to creating more YouTube videos, and that's how we are here. As much as I hate saying this, let me know what all do you want to see, as if somebody cares, but let me know what kind of content do you want to watch, what all can we do, how can we make this a better space, happier space, and like, share and subscribe.